Citizens Medical Center in Victoria, if you're overweight, you cannot get a job there. According to reports, the hospital will no longer hire anyone with a body mass index of 35 or higher. For example, if you stand 5 feet 5 inches tall, you cannot weigh more than 210 pounds. Now, this may sound like discrimination, but in Texas, it is legal. Proponents say it just makes sense for a healthcare provider to have healthy workers. What do you think?
I think that if I'm going to a hospital, I want the best doctor, not like a personal trainer. It doesn't. I don't care what their body is. And like, let's say, God forbid, I had like a brain tumor or something. I want the best brain surgeon. I don't want the best supermodel. I just